Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for 20 basic points for civil engineers. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, if you are not a civil engineer, so this video is very important for you people to know about these 20 basic points. Let's get started, guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, so you may like this video. The first important point is in 20 basic points. The one is lapping length for M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, where 1 part is cement, 1.5 parts are sand, and 3 parts are aggregate. Cement, sand, and aggregate. Okay, so for M20 grade of concrete, the lapping length should be for the column 45D. It means D is here diameter of bar, diameter of steel, you can say. Suppose 45, and I'm using the diameter for the steel. Suppose this is a steel, which dia is 12 millimeter. Okay, so therefore 45 multiply 12, you will get the length of lapping. Okay, you do its multiplication, you will get the lapping length. Therefore for beams for M20 grade concrete, 60D. So 60 multiply longitudinal bar diameter. Suppose I am using 16 millimeter. So 60 multiply 16, you will get the length of beam for lapping. For slab also 60D. So same, you can use this one. The next one is, guys, minimum thickness of the slab should not be less than 125 millimeter, or you can say 5 inches. Okay, and here, guys, you can see this is thickness of the slab and this is its length. Okay, as you can see, so the thickness of the slab should not be this thickness. Okay, it should not be less than this one, or you can say this one. It should not be less than 5 inches, or you can say, guys, 125 millimeter. Okay, next one, guys, you can see clearly that is about longitudinal reinforcement not less than 0.8% and more than 6% of the cross-sectional area. Suppose this is a beam, this one is a beam, guys, you can see this is its section and this is its length. Okay, guys, you can see clearly this is its cross-sectional area. So for this beam, minimum you can use 0.8% and maximum 6% of the cross-sectional area. Suppose the cross-sectional area of this beam is 144 inch square. Okay, inch square, suppose. Okay, or a square inch. So therefore when you are using 0.8%, this is minimum and this is maximum. Between this you can use, for example, from 1 to 2% you can use also. So this is the way for finding the longitudinal bar steel reinforcement. Next one, guys, you can see the fourth one, chair and slab and raft foundation, the diameter should not be, or the diameter should be 12 millimeter. Don't use less than 12 millimeter for the chairs which we are using inside the raft foundation or in the slab. Okay, to maintain the spacing between main bars, distribution bars. Also it keep the depth of the mesh, okay, from the bottom to the top, or you can say the depth of the bed. Next, guys, the fifth one, you can see the chair spacing should be placed minimum 1 square meter. Suppose this is a raft foundation, and this raft foundation, when we are providing doubly mesh, so here, guys, we are providing the chairs. So the chairs is same like this, guys, you can see. As you can see, this is, so minimum spacing you can keep 1 meter square. Okay, next, guys, you can see here minimum diameter of bar used in column 12 millimeter. If you are making the construction of column, or if you want to build your house and you want to construct the column, so the column diameter should not be less than the column inside the column steel reinforcement diameter should not be less than 12 millimeter. The next one, guys, you can see electrical conducts shall not be runs inside column electrical. So sometime we are providing electrical you can see conducts or you can say rainy water we are providing inside this, so that is not good in column. Okay, you can keep the space there inside at the side of the column simply. Next, water cement ratio for different grades of concrete shall not be exceed 0.45 for M20 grade and above 0.52. Okay, so for example, let me tell you, so for M20 grade concrete you are using up to 0.45 ratio of water cement. Okay, from above, for example, if you are using 0.5%, so ratio of the water cement. Okay, so in that case this is especially for M10 and M15. So guys, this is the ninth one, and the last one guys, you can see 1 bag of cement is equal to 1.25 cubic feet, which is equal to 0.347 cubic meter. So if someone asks from you, so what is the volume of a cement bag, so this is in cubic feet and this is in cubic meter. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.